Hey, no wonder why we had good service.
And it's a 2-lane both ways.
All right, Brushy Mountain. Just ordered myself a brushy burger, half-inch thick slab of bologna with a beef patty, pickles, lettuce, tomato, mayo, mustard. I'm gonna go attack that bad boy. Oh, and a peach milkshake. So anyway, just walked off Brushy Mountain. Here in Bland, just outside of Bland, Virginia. We got some, oh yeah. See, there's a genius. He's here. We got a section hiker. We got Mo. Mo there. We're gonna pick up Mo. Mo's gonna join our tramway today. He's losing his buddy today.
Welcome.
There she is. Now this, folks, this is Penguin. And she is the only thru hiker you've seen so far.
She waddles along because she's totally out of shape.
You thru hiked in
2015.
2015?
Yep.
Excellent.
Carol,
What?
came back with just talk to
And she did trail magic too.
Just talk to Tina.
And here comes my peach milkshake. All right, now we're going live, but I can edit out any bad words.
Okay.
Which I usually say. How about I get on the
Inside.
No,
No,
I
you
don't
should send that.
How's that?
Home people.
So here we are at the Brushy Mountain. What is this called? Diner?
Brushy Mountain Outpost.
Outpost. Brushy Mountain Outpost.
Yes.
And all three of us, starting with Marvel, there she goes, right there, ordered a peach milkshake. And they are to die for. They're delicious.
Delicious. Very Even at 10 in the morning.
And then what
No
else?
shame.
Good girl, you had just the milkshake?
I had the milkshake, but I'm really looking at those big pickles over there.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Those big pickles.
And how about you, Mara? What else? What
I
do you have
had the peach milkshake, and then I had mozzarella sticks and french fries, and I finished it all.
Nice.
10 in the morning.
Nice. Well, I ordered the Brushy Burger from Brushy Mountain, and it has a half-inch slab of bologna. Okay, so you can do a full resupply here. They have candy bars, oatmeal, anything you might need. Right here at Brushy Mountain. Right here at Brushy Mountain.
I will take one
Not too
run
fast.
into Dollar General.
On the highway, walking towards, well, away from Bland now, back, little road walking for a little bit. That reminds me of being out west. But we're in Virginia. There's the genius. Oh, he just came around that little rock outcropping. Actually, come out of the woods onto a dirt road way up by that cell tower, and there's the power line in the middle of the picture. Came down, had a great resupply / lunch at the outpost at Brushy Mountain. Had that awesome burger, and now follow that road down across the interstate, and you can see the blaze on the back of the guardrail there. So we are on the Appalachian Trail. So yep, that's kind of what happens around interstates or major rivers or whatever. They get you over them, so they put you on a public road for a short while. All right, 600, made it. Whew. Wednesday, May 15th. So we're a little behind, but not bad. Thursday, May 16th. Our first suspension bridge on the AT. This ought to be fun. And boys. Nice place to take a swim. Ooh, it's swaying. Oh, wow. Alright, Friday morning, May 17th. 2 months on the trail. Unexpected thunder showers this morning. Thought we had clear sailing, but yeah, light rain, no thunder showers. See clouds hanging down those valleys over there. Nothing too organized, I hope. We'll see. Find out. No rain gear. Just letting the rain. Needed a shower anyway, so there you go. Wish I put my contacts in. There we go, a nice pink. I think it's a pink azalea type. There's the flame azalea, the orange one. And there's this pink one. A little brighten our rainy day here. Otherwise, a whole bunch of green. Everything's leafed out now. Blueberries are blooming, but no berries, of course, yet. Friday the 17th. Showers, a little sun. And we got like a cloud moving up through the mountain, maybe clearing off. Who knows? A little cold front came through. Feels warmer though. Who knows? Mountain weather. But beautiful just the same. My shirt got soaked. I had rinsed it in the stream last night, dried it all nice, put it on this morning. Within a half hour I was soaked by the rain, but now it feels dry again, or dryish. And yeah, it's all good. Just many of the, so a double blaze means, pay attention there, sort of goes left, I don't know. Anyway, I didn't need a double blaze there, but it's just all beautiful out here. I mean, even a rainy day is beautiful. You know, intermittent rain. It's all good. These rocks are a little slippery, but I'll walk to that next blaze before I put the camera down. So, anyway, having a blast on the Appalachian Trail. Got some deer. There she goes. Little scenic overlook here. I guess that's the hard way. That's the way I came up. An easier way to get back. Alright, there we go. Little vista. Okay, I just had a nice lunch at Doc's Knob Shelter. It has this nice deck on the front. And there's nobody here. But I'm not staying here. I've got 8.5 miles to walk into Pearisburg. But I just had my lunch over in the sunny corner here. And let's see, I had peanut butter wrap and a tuna wrap. And some powdered milk. It was delicious. Lots of little inchworms. You can see this little guy. They're dropping out of the trees. Saw my first tick on this railing here. They're probably dropping out of the trees too, so not bad. 2 months in. It's May 17th, so 2 months. Doc's Knob. Privy up in the hill there. Nice. And it turned out to be a nice afternoon after a little rainy morning. We're looking at Pearisburg. Climb down there. this afternoon. It's about 4:30. Probably have about 3.5, 4 miles to get down there. Little bird somewhere down in there. Should be nice. Taking a little break up on a ledge here. I'll get the camera behind me. You can see the shot. There I am, sitting on this little rock outcropping. Beautiful view. I'm not too close to the edge. A couple feet. Trying out the boots, changing the socks, getting ready for the big descent down into town. There it is. Oh, garage sale behind me there. Here I am. Behind me, got some black clouds coming in, so I better pack up the garage sale and head down the mountain. But it's been great. Got all the usual done in town, laundry, etc., including this huge meal at the Chinese buffet. Yum. All right, walking up Pearisburg, across the New River. Power line cut. I think that's what we're looking at from up top. We were on the other side of the valley looking down that power line from that end. Maybe not. Anyway, pretty major river, New River.